Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Airtable base and scripting for automations, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Airtable and log into your account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to create your base. Click on the Add a Base button. Choose Start from Scratch or select a template that suits your needs. Give your base a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Once your base is created, click on it to open. You will see the default table named Table 1. Rename Table 1 to something more descriptive by clicking on the title. Add fields by clicking on the plus icon next to your existing fields. Choose the appropriate field type for your data, such as single-line text, number, or date. Fill in a few sample records to get a sense of how your data will look. To create additional tables, click the plus icon next to Tables. Repeat the renaming and field adding process for your new tables. Next, let's set up an automation in Airtable. Click on the Automations tab located in the upper menu. Select Create an Automation. Begin by choosing a trigger for your automation. Common triggers include when record created or when record updated. Define your trigger settings based on your chosen option. Click Add Action to specify what should happen when the trigger occurs. You can choose actions like send an email or update record. Fill in the required fields for your action. To enhance your automation, click on plus add a condition if necessary. This allows you to set specific criteria for the action to take place. Once you have configured your automation, click Test to ensure it works as expected. Review the results of the test. If everything looks good, toggle the automation to on to activate it. Now, let's incorporate scripting into your base for more advanced automation. In the Automations tab, click on Add Action and then select Run a Script. This will open the scripting editor. In the editor, you can write JavaScript code to perform custom actions. Utilize Airtable's scripting API to interact with your base. For example, you can retrieve records, update fields, or manipulate data. Make sure to test your script within the editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.